Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Maths class. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, Nana. So stay home, stay safe. Don't go outside. Okay. So are you completing the classwork, Nana? Yes. So watch the video and continue the classwork, ma. Okay. So in last class, what we completed? The multiplication of the 4-digit number by a 4-digit number, isn't it? So up to there we have to complete our classwork also. So once again I revise what we discussed in the previous class. Come on, all of you, get ready with your books, but don't write anything now. Just you listen 5 minutes, Nana. I will revise what we discussed in the previous class. Okay, come on, tell me. The symbol for multiplication is, so the symbol for multiplication is into, and the result of multiplication is called product. So you know that very well symbol, but what is multiplicand and multiplier? Multiplicand, the number to be multiplied, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier, and the result of multiplication is called product. Okay, the number to be multiplied, the number is to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier, and the product, the result of multiplication is called product. And here the relation is multiplicand into multiplier equal to product. Okay, ma? So multiplicand into multiplier equal to product. So suppose let us take one number 645 into 32. This is called multiplicand. What is this? Multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number which we multiply, by which number we multiply here 32 times. So it is called multiplier. Okay, and the multiplication after the number obtained is called product. Okay, ma? And now next, multiplication facts. If a number is multiplied by 1, suppose see ma, 2435 into 1. If a number is multiplied by 1, we get that same number only. So here 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Okay, ma? If a number is multiplied by 0, we get 0 only. So any number is multiplied by 0, we get 0 only. Okay. If any number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number. Okay, ma? And in the multiplication, the order is not important. If we multiply the numbers in any order, we can get the same product only. Let us take one number 248 into 547 equal to, if we change this one 547 into 248. So both products. Okay. So if we change the order of these numbers also, we get the same product. Okay. In blanks they are given like this, Nana. 104 into 57 equal to 57 into dash. Then you have to write, if you change this order, 57 comes first, and what is the missing number here? 104. So we will write 104. In other cases they are given like this also, 253 into dash equal to 104 into 253. Here 104 we will write. Okay, ma? So that means A into B or B into A, both are same. Here A and B are any numbers. Okay, ma? And next, multiplication by 10. See, Nana, if any number is multiplied by 10 or 20, let us take, so first I will explain 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so if any number is multiplied by 10, we write the same number and keep 10 to the right side of the product. Here if this number, same number we will write and keep these 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Same number we'll write here and keep these 3 zeros in the right side of the product. Okay, ma? So it's a very easy to multiply by 10, 100, 1000. Okay? If the number is multiplied by 10, we write the same number and keep 1 0 to the right side of that product. If a number is multiplied by 100, we keep 2 zeros to the right side of the product. And if multiplied by 1000, we keep 3 zeros to the right side of the product. Okay? Oh, next, I will explain. If a number is multiplied by 20, 30 or 600, like that. See, ma? Suppose if you take 245 into 20, it's a very easy, Nana. So let us multiply these two numbers first. So first you keep 0 in the ones place. This 0 same as it is and multiply the number by 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 in hand, 0 is down. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 2s are 4. Finish. So answer is 4900. Let us take one more number. 300 is given, no problem. Here 2 zeros are there. First we keep 2 zeros in the ones and tens place. Now you multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Finish. 36,900. Let us take one number. 45 into dash equal to 4,500. So which number you have to multiply 45 to get the 4,500? Here the same number is coming and we keep 2 zeros in the right side of the product. So that we should multiply by 100. Then only we keep 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Okay, children? Is it clear to you, Nana? Okay. Now, and we completed the multiplication of 4-digit number by a 4-digit number. This also we completed. So once again we revise that. So my dear children, if you learn the tables perfectly, then only we can do the multiplication and division. So daily half an hour you should read the tables up to 20, Nana. Okay, daily. Even though if you know the tables, again you read daily half an hour. Okay. So 7 first you multiply by the ones place, that is 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 in hand, 5 is down. 7 3s are 21. Now add this number 22, 23, 24. Now you get 24. 2 in hand, 4 is down. 2, 4, 24. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30. 3 in hand, 0 is down. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. No number to carry. So write 17 down itself. And keep 1 0 in the ones place because that ones place is completed. Now start from the tens place. So 2 5s are 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Now once tens completed, Nana, so you keep 2 zeros and start from the hundreds place. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 13, 14. 1 in hand, 4 is down. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Now, see, Nana, 3 numbers completed. So start from the thousands place. 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Now you add all these products. Okay? Is 5, 4, 7, 15, 19, 24, 2 in hand. So 1 plus 2, 3, 7, 14, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So 34,74,745. Okay, ma? So like this we will do the multiplication carefully, 4-digit number by 4-digit number. Okay, ma? So today I am going to explain that multiplication of the 5-digit number. 5-digit number. So multiplication of 5-digit numbers is done in the same way, same as it is we will do, Nana. So how we can do in the multiplication of 4-digit number? Just by adding another row with a 0 extreme right for every increase in digit. Okay. Same like that only we will do the multiplication of 5-digit number. Okay, Nana? Write down multiplication of 5-digit number by 1 and 2-digit numbers. All of you open your classwork. Write neatly. Keep that heading, Nana. Multiplication of 5-digit numbers. Multiplication of 5-digit numbers. So multiply 5-digit numbers by 1 and 2-digit numbers. Multiply 5-digit numbers multiply 5-digit number by 1 and 2-digit numbers. Write neatly. So now we will take examples. So 21,435 by 3. Yes, multiply, Nana. So here we will keep multiply. Multiply 21,435 by 3. So this is a 5-digit number. Multiply by 1-digit number. Yes, same as trees, Nana. How we do the multiplication of the 4-digit number? Same as trees we will do. 3 5s are 15. 1 in hand, 5 is down. See children, you have to use this hand for the fingers. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 in hand, 0 is down. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Again 1 in hand, 3 is down. This 1 3 is 13. Okay. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 2s are 6. Finish. So answer is 64,305. Okay, ma? And next example. Note down this one, Nana. I will write the next example. Note down in your classwork neatly, children. Okay, ma? Next problem. See the next example, sir. Multiplication of 5-digit number by 2-digit number. Next example. Multiply 13,221 by 23. Okay. First you have to arrange the numbers. Give some gap between the digits. Then only it looks neatly, Nana. After, see, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Start from the ones place. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. You give some gap between these two digits. Okay. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. How I am doing the multiplication? You also do same like that only. Okay, ma? Here this one is completed. So you keep 0. Okay, ma? Next start from the tens place. 2 1s are 2. This 2 you write under the tens place only. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Number down number is important. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Finish. Now we add these products. 3, 6 plus 2, 8 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 means 1 in hand, 0 is down. Okay, ma? Now Take one finger, 9 after 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Again 1 in hand, 4 is down. Take one finger, 3 after 4. 4 in the mind. Take 6 fingers, 4 after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 1 in hand, 0 is down. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, so what's the answer? It is 3,04,083. Okay, Nana? So, my dear children, if you write that, if you give the space between the two digits, then it looks neatly, Nana. Okay, and number down number is very, very important. So, some children, they are writing this 4 under this middle. Then how can they add? So, you should write number down number, then you add this number. After adding, you will write the down itself only. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, ma? Is it clear how to do the multiplication of 5-digit number by 2-digit number? So, note down in your classwork. Next, we will go to the exercise. Note down. Okay, finish, ma? Write down exercise 3A. Exercise Exercise 3A. Write the first one. Solve the following. Solve the following. Solve the following. So, here they are given multiplication of 4-digit number by 2-digit, 3-digit and 5-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay, ma? Here A, B, C, D. So, 4-digit by 2-digit, 5-digit by 2-digit is given up to D. So, we will do one problem. Okay. So, first we will do A problem. A, note down, Nana. 2345 into 25. Note down, all of you. Okay. Seema. So, without multiplying this one, which number will get in the ones place? Come on, tell me. So, if you multiply this number by 25, which number we will get at the ones place? Can you say the answer? Yes, very good. Tell me. Yes, 5 5 is 25. Just see, 5 5. If you multiply the ones, we will get the 25. That means 5 comes in the ones place. So, what's the digit comes in the ones place? 5. So, keep this in your mind only. So, now we will do multiplication. Arrange the numbers by giving some gap between the digits, and down you should keep into and write 25. Now, start from the ones place. My dear children, watch the video carefully, Nana. So, 5 5s are 25. 2 in hand, 5 is down. 5 4s are 20, 21, 22. 22 means again 2 in hand, 2 is down. 22. Now 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. 17 means 1, 7, 17. Now 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. Finish. Okay. Now close the ones place and start from the tens place. 2 5s are 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. Now 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Finish. Now we add these products so that we will keep plus symbol and do addition. number plus 0, same number, 2. So 7 plus 9, 16. Yes, 1 in hand, 6 G's down. Take one finger, 1 after 2. Take two fingers, 6 after 7, 8. Take one finger, 4 after 5. So answer is 58,625. Okay, ma? So what do you get in the ones place? Yes, 5 only, no? So without multiplication also we can guess. If you multiply the last, that means ones place numbers, then we will get that ones place digit. 5 5s are 25. Okay, let us take one more number, 432, 6 into 25. So what comes in the ones place? 5 6 are 30, that means 3 in hand, 0. So 0 comes in the units place. So like this also I will ask in the objective test exam. Okay, ma? So note down this multiplication in your classwork neatly. Okay, now you have to draw the line and do the B problem as homework, Nana. Same model. So that I will give the homework. And C Roman. C problem, 25,463 into 27. So first you have to arrange the digits by giving some gap. Now you multiply by first from the ones place. Okay? Yes, do ma? 7 3s are 21. 2 in hand, 1 is down. 7 6 are 42, 43, 44. 44 means 4 in hand, 4 is down. 4, 4, 44. Next 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 means 3 in hand, 2 is down. 7 5s are 35, 36, 37, 38. 3 in hand, 8 is down. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. Finish. Now keep 0 in the ones place. Start at the tens place number. It is 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 5s are 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So over, now we add these products. So 1, 4 plus 6 is 10. So 1 in hand, 0 is down. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in hand, 2 is down. 3 after 4, 5. Now 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So 1 in hand, 7 is down. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. So this number is 6,87,501. Okay, ma? So my dear children, note down in your classwork neatly, Nana, by giving some gap between these two digits. And don't forget to write the number down number. Okay? Yes, note down in your classwork. Next, so you have to do the B problem and D problem as homework, Nana. So put the tick mark in your textbook, the homework problems, B problem and D problem. Okay, now note down E problem. E. Note down E. 4,931 into 526. Note down. Can I rub this one, children? Okay. So first you have to arrange the numbers. 4,931 into 526. Here the 4-digit number by 3-digit number. First you start from the ones place. 6 1s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 means 1 in hand, 8 is down. 18. 6 9s are 54 plus 1, 55. 5, 5, 55. 5 in hand, 5 is down. 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. No number, so write 29 itself only. Now, close the ones place, start from the tens. What's there in the tens? 2. So, multiply ones. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 nines are 18. 1 in hand, 8 is down. Okay. Next, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, ma? I repeat again. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 1 in hand, 8 is down. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Now, ones completed, tens completed. Start from the hundreds. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. So, 1 in hand, 5 is down. 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 46. 4 in hand, 6 is down. 5 4s are 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, now we add all these products. 6, 8 plus 2, 10. 1 in hand. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 2 in hand, 3 is down. 2, take 2 fingers, 2 after 3, 4. 4 in the 4, take 4 fingers, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. Take 6 fingers, 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1 in hand, 9 is down. 1 plus 4, 5, and this is 2. So, 25,93,706. So, what's the answer? 25,93,706. Okay, ma? Next problem, note down this. And next one, G problem. Note down G problem. 8,143, 526. So, you put the tick mark for F problem, Nana. F is homework. Okay. So, put the tick mark for F and write G. So, arrange the numbers. Now, multiply by 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 in hand, 8 is down. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. 2 in hand, 5 is down. 6 1s are 6, 7, 8. 6 8s are 48. Finish. Close the ones place. Start at tens. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Finish. Now, ones, tens. Now, start at hundreds place. 5 3s are 15. 1 in hand, 5 is down. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. 2 in hand, 1 is down. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. 5 8s are 40. So, write 4 side. Okay. Okay, ma? Now, add all these products. Plus, plus. So, 8, 11, 1 in hand. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 2 in hand, 2 is down. 2 fingers, 8 after 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 in hand, 3 is down. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 1 in hand, 8 is down. Take 1 finger, 1 after 2 and 4. So, 42,83,218. So, my dear children, write neatly, Nana, in your classwork and give some gap between the digits. Okay. And the last problem, H problem. So, today homework problems are B, C, F. So, you write B, C, F problems in your homework book. Okay. Next, last problem. Can I rub this one, children? So my dear children, you have to learn the tables perfectly, Nana. Then we can do the multiplication easily. Okay. H. 32,578 into 23. So this is a 5-digit number by 2-digit number. So first you arrange the numbers. Now multiply by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 2 in hand, 4 is down. 24. 3 7s are 21. 22, 23. 2 in hand, 3 is down. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17. 1 in hand, 7 is down. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 3 3s are 9. Now close the ones place. 2 8s are 16. 1 in hand, 6 is down. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. 1 in hand, 5 is down. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. 1 in hand, 1 is down. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 3s are 6. Now add these products. 4, 3 plus 6, 9, 7 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. Take 1 finger, 7 after 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5. 9 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 in hand, 4 is down. And now 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay. So it is 7,49,294. Okay, ma? So we stop up to here. So in exercise 3A, the first Roman is completed. Now B, C, F are the homework problems. So my dear children, write neatly without mistakes in the homework book, those 3 problems. Okay. And send to my personal number. Okay, ma? So tomorrow we will continue the second Roman. Bye children. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.